Okay, kalma muna kayo.
Excited.
Kalma muna kayo.
Ramdam
Dahil
na
kung
ramdam
excited
namin.
kayo, mas excited itong mga Dabarkan sa studio! Dahil andito na nga siya, mga Dabarkans, ang nag-iisang idol natin, Miss Jessica Sanchez! Hello, Jessica!
What's up?
Welcome to Eat Bulaga!
Thank you.
How are you, girl? By the way, Philip cannot make it today because he's sick. It's Philip's birthday anyway. So, greet natin siya ng happy birthday, Philip!
Happy
Get
birthday,
well.
Philip, and get well soon.
Happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday, Philip.
Pero nandito ngayon si Jessica. Jessica, you've been here for 2 days, so how's your experience so far?
It's been amazing. I haven't been able to go out much because of like the craziness that's going on. But everybody's been so nice and friendly with all of us. So we're definitely excited to perform for you guys on the 21st tomorrow. Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
For more than 2 months, you've been doing the American Idol Tour live. And how is it?
It's been amazing. Like I said, meeting all the fans is like the best part. Meeting all of you guys. Me and the other idols have talked it over already. We believe that this is gonna be by far the best show that we're gonna have for the
You have no idea
tour.
how excited your Filipino fans are.
Yes,
You know-
I love you guys.
Jessica, it's been 2 hours that I have a friend who's been practicing a question for you.
Okay.
Okay? And Tito Jimmy,
Jimmy!
I want you to meet Jessica. He's been wanting to ask you
He's
this
a
question.
genius.
He's a genius, huh? Okay, go Tito Jimmy. Please ask your question.
First of all, I'd like to congratulate you and welcome to the Philippine Island.
Thank you.
You know, Jessica, I know, Jessica. I know that
Pero I know, ah.
when you were born, I know you are a baby.
Anong klase yan?
Yan, pinractice natin yan, Tito Jimmy.
Ask your parents. Okay.
The mother is a Filipina. By the way, Jessica, I have prepared something for you. It's a personal gift. It's an iPhone case.
Thank you. I love it. Thank you.
And
Oh, we also have a gift for you.
Oh,
No, shut
there,
up.
there. That's Jose, Wally, and
We have
Paulo.
2 pig.
They're in Ilocos Norte.
they're in Ilocos now. They're...
Hi, Jessica. How are you?
What's up? Hey.
What's up?
Oh, you know,
That's
that's
all they
Why
can
you
say.
here
What's
in
up?
Ilocos? Why don't you try to swag and not kill all the people inside and lock and something straight and wrong about it?
Did you get that? Never mind.
Oh.
He doesn't even understand what he's saying.
No, Jessica, after this...
Girl, Jessica, the first time I saw you, there's a lot of fun saying, Lord, you're gonna never go shine. Oh, God,
Oh, don't tell me you don't
Do you
get that.
understand?
I don't understand. So it's like going on.
She doesn't understand, okay?
No, Jessica, you know, after this Idol tour, do you plan to return for another show? Maybe a solo one, perhaps?
Yes.
Nothing's confirmed yet, but I've gotten some offers, and I would love to come back and sing for all of you guys again.
Yeah, hey!
Very nice.
So, okay,
Very nice.
why don't you invite our Dabarkads to your show?
Dabagods get a chance to see us American Idol Season 11's tomorrow live, September 21st at Smart Araneta Coliseum. And
I'll be
watch us
there.
perform in our only concert in Asia. Thank you guys.
Really? I have a front row ticket, by the way.
Thanks, Jessica.
And you can also catch them in their mall tour this afternoon at McKinley Hill and Alabang Town Center. And, okay, you
This is
wanna...
this tour is made possible by Ovation Productions. Thank you guys so much for all your support and all your love. Thank you.
Thank you very
Kita
much,
kits.
Jessica.
Yeah,
Mga
thank you.
Dabarkads,
Jessica.
we'll be there tomorrow. Promise.
Thank you.
Can you do this? Can you say Eat Bulaga? We are very glad to have here with us in
Ibulga, right?
Miss Jessica Sanchez.
Something like that. Thank you very much, Jessica, for visiting.
Welcome,
And
Jessica.
good luck with the
Thank you.
concert.
Thank you so
Palakpakan po natin mga Dabarkads, Jessica Sanchez.
Thank
We
you,
would love
Jess.
very much to
Hey,
hear you
Jessica,
sing,
wait.
but we understand you have to prepare your voice. But can you
yeah.
at least do a song with me? Like I can do Jennifer Holiday.
Okay.
Key, please.
All right.
And that's more. That's not her kid. I'm not going. You're the best man I've ever known. There's no way I can ever go.
No, no, there's no way. No, no,
I'm not leaving without you, not living without you. I don't want to be free.
I'm staying, and you're gonna love me.
We're gonna love you forever, Jessica Sanchez, ladies and
Thank you,
gentlemen.
guys.
Live tomorrow at the Smart Araneta Coliseum with the rest of the guys. Thank you, Jessica.
Thank you very much, Jessica.
Bakit?
You're an angel.
Ba't hindi si Jimmy
Thank you.
pinagduet nyo?
Maraming salamat, Jessica.
Mali naman
Thank you
kayo.
very much.
Thank you.
Ano?
Ano?
Diba natulala tayo lahat?
Mali naman kayo.
Bakit? Bakit Tito Sin?
Bakit hindi si Jimmy pinagduet nyo?
Mahirap. Mahirap pag si Tito Jim. Hindi alam ni Jessica yung kwando-kwando.
Mali kayo.
Oh, teka, bakit parang...
Oo, malis na. Palabakan pa rin natin, Miss Jessica Sanchez. Ano? Di ba pati kayo tulala?
Jose, wala.
Kapiranggot lang yun, ha?
Huwag ka na
Bababa pa
malungkot.
yung key.
Malungkot. Huwag kang malungkot, Jose. Hindi pala nakakaintindi na English eh.
Lalo na Tito Chen, hindi ko rin siya naintindihan.
Hindi siya naintindihan eh.
Lalo na yung English na galing kayo.
Oo, Jose, hindi siya naintindihan.
Mas fluent ka, Jose.
Yeah, I didn't know it. Yeah, I didn't know.
Basta yung pag-knit ko, huwag nyo
Bunganga mo. Bunganga mo.
Bunot, bunot.
Sige na, tawag tayo.
There's no way.
Isa ka pa eh.
There's no way.
Akala mo naman kasya to sa bunganga ko.
Patay.
Pasensya na, ha, pero naka-duet ko. Alam nyo na.
Ano, sino yung kumanta nung